I will put the things in a temporary way just to take a look at how everything works. And I really don't know where put the speedometer, so I will put this for now just to check the cables, do the connections, because this cable I can't connect if I put around here. So I'm thinking putting the fork, something like this support, and from this put the speedometer here. But for now, just take a look in the connections to check if the cables is the right cables. I will put this, do the headlight, looks cool, looks very different. It's not so big, but also it's not so small. I think it's a really good size. Is the wire diagram. I could find some cables, so I make it this line with tape and put separate each cable, test everyone, and I think I found the right connections. Now let's check if it's working. Ooh, working. Great.